But, yeah, I was going to say, but, just because they're scheduled, we're actually going to have them.
The only Dan I like is Danica.
Smooth.
Yay! Kayla's last day, she's like, you gotta do this, hit me, close to dance. I'm like, no, but I will.
Yeah.
But no.
I know I can do that.
Yeah, all those pictures were me. Like, whatever you need today, girl. I got you.
Yeah. I know, that's why that day I was like, do whatever you want, drive wherever you want.
You're like, if you're gonna take anything, just don't tell me about it, so I can go the other way.
Yeah, I spotted her last night. Get all your shopping done? Do all your stuff? And even Jeff was like, whatever you do now, whatever.
Yeah, hey, Jeff's like, don't threaten me with it again.
Yeah, he's like, do whatever you want, you're done.
I was on her very first trip, so kind of hung out the
Oh, she's a total sweetheart.
Yeah, she's
got a long life.
Everybody is. You know you're my second favorite driver, right?
Really?
Ever.
Oh,
My number one is the tie between Riley and Danica, and you're right there.
oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you. We had a lot of fun. You always show me so much kindness.
Oh, yeah. Why not? Absolutely.
That ship's the friendship.
Yes, certainly are. Oh, what a good boy. Look at you setting.
Yeah, nice and sleazy. There we go.
I don't like it.
Like, what's wrong, man? Why did you start behaving? What did this happen? Oh, there goes Grandma Magic. Abuela the Magica. Yay, Magica.
Oh, good boy. Welcome to the castle, folks. Lower your head, watch your steps, and enjoy your rest of your day in the park. You're very welcome. You can cross in front of our friends. There's plenty of space. This is Chip. If you see another Clydesdale later in the afternoon that has all four white legs, that is Champ. That is his half. Yeah, so Chip, chocolate chip. Yeah, try driving in as a team and trying to differentiate between Chip and Champ. They're just like, one of you, do something. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a great